Okay, I'm going to go in slow motion, fast forwarding the frames with the little spinning wheel I have in this Coach's app at the bottom. This is a rail shot. The object ball is about 1.5 dimes from the pocket, frozen to the rail. I'm shooting the shot with a medium soft stroke inside, straight inside, no top or bottom, just straight left English. And you can see the 4 color lines I have up here. It shows exactly what happens. If I hit the rail before the ball, way before the ball, I come off on the red line. If I hit it just before the ball, I come off on the white line. And if I hit it perfect, which is a fraction, just a small little sliver prior to hitting the ball, I come off on the green line. Every time I hit the ball first, I come off on the yellow line with the cue ball because it glances off of the ball, retains its spin, then hits the rail and takes off. When it hits the rail first, it spins off of the rail into the ball and then glances straight off at a deeper angle coming off the rail. But you'll see there are about 4 shots here. Here comes the cue ball with its left spin. You can see it hit the 3 ball slightly first. Right there, hits the 3 first, then hits the rail and spins along the yellow line. So I'll just let it play like that. So you can see it hits the 3 first and goes along the yellow line. Now I'll fast forward to the next shot. You can't see the counter that I'm looking at, but I'm going to 136. That's when I put the next shot out here. If I scroll too quickly, I really lose control of the spinning wheel down here. So I have to take it a little at a time. We're at 113, 14, 15, 16, 17. Counting on up there. Going to 136 is going to be my next cue ball coming in. Here we go. Okay. So now we'll start this process again. This time you can see where the ball hits. It's the 15 way before it hits the rail. It's hitting right there. It's going to cause the ball to miss the pocket, but I wanted to make it obvious that I hit the ball first. Then I hit the rail, and again, we come along the yellow line. Actually, even a little more than the yellow line. And then we'll scroll up here to one more shot where we're hitting the ball first. 312. We're at 2 now. It's really easy to go too fast and lose track of it. So 9, 10, 11, here we come. Now this ball, as I scroll through, you see I hit it first, there. Then the cue ball hits the rail and spins off, and I follow along the yellow line. Anytime I hit the ball first, I'm coming off at a wider angle here. Now, notice the 6 is coming far enough off the rail, I'm probably going to miss that ball where I hit too much of the 6. So it's not going to hit the pocket. I hit too much of the ball. I think the 3 ball is probably the only one that went. The last 2, I hit way too thick. They did not go. Go to the next, and now the next 3 shots are going to actually be rail first. I'm going to 427. We're at 419 now. 23, 24, 25, 26, and here we go. Now this ball, it's obvious I hit the rail way before I get to the 9. I wanted to make sure that we could hit the rail way prior to the 9 ball, and we get the red line action. 9 ball is going to miss the pocket because I came in way too short. But we can see the cue ball's got the spin on it, but when it hits the rail first, at the speed I'm shooting, it doesn't bury into the rail. It just bounces straight off the rail and then kisses straight back at the steeper angle. Now we'll go to 557. This is going to be a perfect rail shot. We are now at 455, 5, 510, 556. Okay, so this is a perfect rail shot right here. This ball's coming in. It just slightly grabs the rail just before it hits the 10. Just like that. You can see it. The cue ball just hits the rail and then the 10 begins to go. It's such a fine line. That's a perfect rail shot. The 10 ball hugs the rail the whole way to the pocket. And we follow the green line. So now we're getting, that's a perfect rail shot. If we'd have hit the 10 a little bit before the rail, we would have come closer to the yellow line. If we'd have hit the rail further back, we'd have followed the white or the red line, which I'm going to show next with the white line. It's the last shot here, 713. We are at 6. Oop, too far. See, now we start all over. Coming backwards. Okay. So here is the final shot. This one, I grabbed the rail too far behind the ball. Just barely. It's right there. You can see it hits the rail first and bounces off. And then kisses off toward the white direction there. Now the 12 ball still goes. It's far enough away from the pocket, it's going to catch the facing of the pocket in there. So that's about as the... When I shot the 9 ball, we had the cue ball go along that red line. I'm sure that ball did not hit the pocket because I came in too far behind the ball and banked it off of the rail. Whereas this one, it's almost hit as well as the 10 ball, but it's just a tiny bit too much into the rail first, and that's why we get this action. But I just wanted to show that the further you get into the rail before the ball, you're coming off at this steeper angle, the red and the white lines. A really perfect rail shot, you're coming off on the 10. This is just a medium soft stroke with inside English.